remedies for constipation. Constipation results from several factors including overintake of calcium or aluminium through antacid medicines, disturbances in dietary routine, colon cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, neurological issues like Parkinson's problems or multiple sclerosis, sedentary lifestyle, lack of fiber in diet, excess use of laxatives, pregnancy, stress, hypothyroidism and others. Here's what you can do to relieve this problem. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are known to moisturize the intestinal tract and ease the stool. You can consume sesame seeds by seasoning the salads and cereals with them. These seeds can also be pulverized and used for seasoning food. Adding sesame oil to food can also work wonders. Blackstrap molasses. Consume 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses and it should work by relieving constipation overnight. The significant advantages of molasses result from the high content of vitamins and minerals that accrue in it due to thickening while boiling several times. The high magnesium content of molasses is an advantage for fighting constipation. Fiber-rich food. The best remedy for constipation is fiber-rich diet. Fiber scrubs waste materials on the intestine and eases their movement along the colon by adding up to their bulk. Experts state that about 30 grams of fiber is necessary on a daily basis. Some of the fiber-rich foods include beans, cereals, almonds, some vegetables, dry fruits, fresh fruits, barley, oatmeal and others. Ginger and mint tea. Ginger tea can fight constipation resulting from several causes. The menthol present in the mint leaves triggers antispasmodic effect that can relax the intestinal muscles. The warming nature of ginger can quicken the digestion and ease constipation. Together with the warm water, these two herbs can work wonders on constipation. Healthy fat-rich foods like olive oils, nuts and avocados can lubricate the intestine and relieve constipation. It is advisable to consume leafy greens with olive oil dressing, about 50 grams of nuts, some nut butter on fruits or toast as per your liking and choice to fight constipation. Lemon juice. The citric acid content of lemon juice can stimulate your digestive tract and expel the toxins from the body. Start your mornings with lemon juice to see amazing results. You can add lemon to your tea. Lemon can work on constipation on a long-term basis. Coffee. Coffee is known to stimulate the colon movements. It can ease your constipation and help you regain the normal routine while taken regularly. Raisins. Raisins are rich in fiber. They also contain tartaric acid that can have a laxative effect on the colon. Regular intake of raisins can significantly quicken the movement of food through the digestive tract. You can also depend on cherries and apricots for easing constipation. Castor oil. There is no remedy more powerful than castor oil for constipation. Take 2 teaspoons of castor oil in empty stomach and you will see your constipation getting relieved within 8 hours. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.